All right, guys, we're back in. This is unboxing video numero deuce, and we're bringing the heat. We're still going. We still got a ton of Spydercos, and we've now weeded some out because video number trace is going to be epic. So let's just get right into it. My wife, Molly, is still here, shockingly.
Yes, hello.
This is a Delica 4. This is going to be K390 in a Wharncliffe. Yeah, awesome knife. Love the K390. Love the Warney Delica. That's cool. So can't go wrong with that. Next up, what else we got here? We've got another Delica 4. This one is like that kind of country blue color, 20 CV. This, I think, is going to be a Knife Joy exclusive. And I'm not going to pull the paperwork out, guys, because we just got so many to go through.
Do y'all really care?
Yeah.
Google it.
Yeah. So here's the Indella. This is going to be an Indella Wharncliffe. Oh, serrated. Indella Wharncliffe serrated VG10 black FRN.
Bet it's going to be sharp.
I bet you it is. I bet you it is. All right. Let's see. Let's go to this one. This one's cool. This is going to be a St. Nick's exclusive with the red G10 and CPM 4V blade steel. That's the St. Nick's Fair right there. Coated blade, red G10, Native Chief. Love the Native Chief. Let's set that one right over there. All right, next up, we've got I think this is probably Packawood. Yes, Packawood and Damasteel, or Damascus. I don't know why I say Damasteel. It's not. It's Damascus.
Because you're damn a dumb.
I'm damn a dumb. Oh, here we go. She's proud of herself for that one, guys.
Yeah,
I can tell
I
by
really
the giggle there. She is damn a proud.
Got him.
So there we go. Packawood, Damascus, Delica 4. Very, very cool knife. I'm assuming this is a dealer exclusive, but I honestly don't know. And like I said, I'm not going to pull the paperwork on every one of these because we have too many to open up. Next up, we've got some more FRN. This is also the Country Blue. Is it 20 CV? Yes, 20 CV. Delica, Wharncliffe. Can't go wrong with that. Man, we got so many freaking knives out here. It's unbelievable. This is the best unboxing ever. Ever.
Is it? Is it really?
Yes. Here it is. Sage 5. Blade HQ exclusive. CPM M4. Uncoated with mint green. So they're not calling it, when they're FRN, they're not calling them jade. They're calling it mint green. But I dig it. I think it's cool. And the Sage 5 is such a great knife. With the compression lock. M4. Uncoated. She's a beaut.
Cute.
She is a beaut, Clark. All right, next up, we've got a pink Para 3, pink G10. Oh, S45 VN, so it's 10 better than the S35.
Hey, ladies.
Pink Para 3. She's beautiful.
Or men who like pink.
Yeah, she'd look cool. It's like Pepto-Bismol pink, too.
Or he-she-its that like pink.
Look cool with the CME on there. You could put, yeah, we have several different colors that'll look cool on the pink. But yeah, there you go. Pink G10, Para 3 with S45. So it's 10 times better than the S35. Not last but not least, this is the Indella, again, VG10, plain edge, Wharncliffe, cool knife, super good in hand. So we've got those paired up right there. We have fully serrated and not. And then we have the Polywog, or the Polwog.
Yeah, the Polwog.
Polwog G10 Natural. So this is going to be a Blade HQ exclusive. Yep, CPM M4. Check that thing out. It's actually really comfortable. It looks incredibly goofy, but it is really, really comfortable. Wow, it's so strange. I mean, you can definitely, let's see. Yeah, you can, oh yeah. My fingers are a little fat to get down in there to that ball.
Imagine
it's hard
having
to finger
fat
the ball.
fingers.
It's hard to finger the ball. But definitely an interesting... You're going to take up some pocket real estate. I'm not going to lie. But, yeah, that's interesting. So open that up and put that thing in your hand. Put that in your hand once.
Oh, my God, yeah.
Is it It's comfortable, right?
Yeah.
So let's grab this one right here. Actually, no. Let's grab this one right here. I don't know exactly what this is. This is some type of a man bug, I think. What is this? Yeah, man bug. This is a man bug Warney serrated. So this thing's probably just stupid sharp in those serrations. But we're going to find out. And it's VG10 man bug.
Find out.
Okay. Yeah. And then this will be the last one we open, and then we're gonna check out some blade sharpness, and then we're gonna do one more unboxing video, and this is gonna be the who's who of this package unboxing experience. All right, so what we got here is a Dragonfly. Looks to be a Wharncliffe, I think. I don't know. But it's going to be K390. I know that just based off the FRN color. Oh, yeah. Warney, K390, Dragonfly. Oh, I love that. I love that. That is so cool. So cool. Okay. All right. Now, and that K390 comes with the fancy poison, too.
It does. Yeah.
Yeah.
Not all of them had fancy poison like that. Very few, in fact.
Yeah. All right. So we're going to do these three along with a bunch more that I have sitting right over there in the last unboxing. And right now we are going to set these up so we can move them around a bit. And we are going to find out how sharp these edges are right out the box. We got the Wharncliffe. Actually, I'm going to save this one because I bet it's going to be super sharp. Okay. Let's get this set up, guys.
Why are you whispering?
I don't know. Can you see the 0? 0. Okay.
What the hell's wrong with you?
Pair of 3. S45VN. Here we go. 130. 130. That's a nice result. I like it. I like it a lot.
Look.
Next up, Delica 4 Warney 20 CV. Here we go.
Come on now.
160. 160. So the pair of 3 still better. So we'll put, if we knock the pair of 3 out, we'll replace that knife in that location. All right, 20 CV Delica 4 straight edge. Here we go. 135. So that just knocked off the pair of 3. So remember the 135. Tails are still long. Tails are still long.
Hey, come on, man.
You're just burning filament for no reason. Just burning it.
Guys, I'm going to get fired.
M4 Sage 5.
No, I can't grab it.
Here we go. Oop, 110. Now we've got a new replacement there.
Oh, gosh.
The Sage 5. All right. Here we go. VG10 Indela Wharncliffe plain edge. Here we go. 160. 160.
I think that needs tightened.
Oh, no, it's fine.
Okay.
No, and that's perfect. Look at how short that tail is. Tight, short. It's a nice short tail that's tight. I love it. Okay. Next up, Delica 4 K390 Warney. Here we go. 185. Still the M4 Sage 5 still holding strong with a it was what, 110?
I don't know.
I think so. I think it was 110. All right. We got the Damadum back of wood Delica 4. Here we go. Oh! Whoa! We got a sub hundo 85 on the Damadum Peckerwood. So the Damadum Peckerwood is coming in hot with an 85. All right, let's check out this St. Nick's CPM 4V Native Chief. Here we go. 140. So we got a lot of really good results here, but that 85 on the Peckerwood Damadum. Okay, we got the Dragonfly K3. Did we already? I didn't do this one yet. The Dragonfly.
No idea what you're doing.
K390. Here we go. 230.
That's unacceptable.
We're down to oh nope, because we didn't do the polywog yet. Let's do the polywog or the polwog. This is M4. All right, here we go. 110.
Oh,
110 on the polwog. Did you just knock all those off?
Mm-hmm. Don't laugh.
Oh, I did. I laughed. Right in her face. I did it right to her face, guys.
Punch you right in your face.
Okay, now we've got serrations, which are always, historically, they've been very, very sharp. So we're going to go middle large serration here. Let's see what we can do. Here we go. 85.
Ooh, another 85.
Yep, 85. So those two are tied up right now at 85. Let's see if the man bug serrated can dethrone that. Here it is. We're going to go same serration again. Second big hump. All right. Here we go. Oh. 70 for the man bug serrated. All right, so there it is. All right, guys, tune in. Video number 3, unboxing, epic unboxing 2022. Yeah, the most epic unboxing ever. But here was again the list: the man bug, the Peckerwood Damadum, Delica 4. The Indela, Warncliffe, Serrated and Knot, the Polywog, Polwog and M4 Blade HQ exclusive, the K390 Dragonfly, Warncliffe, 20CV Country Blue, Delica 4, same thing, 20CV Warncliffe, Delica 4, and then we've got the K390 Warncliffe Delica, which was awesome. The Pepto-Bismol Pink Para 3 and S45 VN. The Blade HQ exclusive Sage 5 and M4 uncoated. And the St. Nick's exclusive CPM 4V Native Chief. Right on. That was a hell of an unboxing right there in its own right, but we still have one to go. So, you got anything left to say?
So heaven help us.
Thanks so much, guys, for tuning in. Peace.
Bye.
Hey.